You're paying $69 a month for Jasper, and then you're still opening SEMrush, Canva, and WordPress in separate tabs every single time. What if that entire stack, research, writing, images, SEO scoring, publishing, lived inside one plugin for a fraction of the price? Today I'm breaking down WriteRush versus Jasper, not to bash Jasper. It's a solid tool, but because for WordPress content creators, the comparison is genuinely eye-opening. And once I walk you through the difference, you'll understand exactly why. Let me show you what I mean. Here's the average workflow for a WordPress blogger using Jasper. You open SEMrush or Ahrefs to do keyword research, you switch to Jasper to write. You go to Surfer or Phrase to check your SEO. You jump to Canva for images, you schedule through Buffer. Then you copy-paste everything into WordPress to publish. That's 6 tools, 6 logins, 6 monthly payments, 6 sources of friction every time you publish a post. And here's the part that really stinks. After all that tool hopping, you still get output that sounds like every other AI blog on the internet. Generic, flat, forgettable. This is the problem WriteRush was built to solve. WriteRush is a WordPress plugin, not a web app you log into separately, not something you copy-paste into. It lives inside your WordPress dashboard and handles the entire content workflow: research, writing, SEO scoring, image generation, and publishing without you ever opening another tab. Let me walk you through how that actually works. Step 1, keyword and intent. You start with a keyword right inside the plugin. WriteRush isn't just taking your keyword and generating text. It pulls live SERP data. It's looking at what's actually ranking on Google right now, and it uses that to inform your outline. Jasper, no SERP Analyzer. You're writing blind. Step 2, brand voice. Here's the one that gets people. WriteRush reads your existing WordPress posts and learns your writing style. Not a tone slider, not a drop-down that says casual or professional. It actually analyzes how you write and replicates it in every new draft. Jasper has a brand voice feature on higher tier plans, but it doesn't ingest your WordPress content to do it. You manually feed it information. WriteRush does this automatically. It learns from your site. Step 3, drag and drop outline. This one's unique. WriteRush gives you a drag and drop outline builder. You pull SERP suggested headings alongside your own ideas, drag them into any order, merge sections, and build a custom structure before a single word is written. Jasper has no drag and drop outline builder. Neither does Copy.ai, just WriteRush. Step 4, full draft with live SEO score. When you generate the draft, your SEO score updates in real time as the content builds out. You see exactly where you stand before you publish, what to improve, what's already working. That's not something you need a separate SEO tool for. It's built in. Step 5, AI images right here. Images are generated inside the plugin, not Canva, not a separate AI image tool. You get on-brand generated images that go straight into your WordPress media library. One less tab, one less subscription. Step 6, one-click publishing. When you're done, you push it to WordPress with one click. Draft or live, straight into Gutenberg, Classic Editor, or Elementor. WriteRush supports all 3. Jasper can send drafts to WordPress too, but only after you've done the work in their separate web app. The difference is, you're doing everything from WordPress with WriteRush, not coming back to WordPress at the end. Let me be direct about the gaps. Here's what WriteRush has that Jasper doesn't. SERP Analyzer, Jasper doesn't have one. WriteRush does. Drag and drop outline builder, Jasper doesn't have it. WriteRush does. And frankly, no other major AI writing tool does either. Grammatical voice control. This is a small detail that matters. WriteRush lets you control whether your content is written in first, second, or third person. Jasper doesn't offer that. Image optimization. WriteRush optimizes your images after generating them. Jasper doesn't. Native WordPress plugin. WriteRush is inside your dashboard. Jasper is a separate web app. That difference affects your entire publishing workflow every single day. And on price, WriteRush starts at $9 a month. Jasper starts at $69. If you're primarily a WordPress content creator, you're paying 6 times more for a tool that isn't built for your environment. To be fair, Jasper is excellent if you need to write across a lot of different platforms: ad copy, emails, sales pages. If you're a copywriter handling varied content across multiple tools, Jasper's breadth is real. But for WordPress bloggers, content marketers, and agencies publishing to WordPress, WriteRush was built for exactly that job. WriteRush has a free plan, no credit card required, takes about 60 seconds to install. If you're on WordPress and you're tired of the 6-tab shuffle, go try it. The link is in the description. And if you've used either WriteRush or Jasper, drop your experience in the comments, genuinely curious whether this matches what you've seen. If you want a full walkthrough of the WriteRush workflow keyword to a published post, I've got that video lined up next. Like and subscribe so you don't miss it.